mai koutou. Ko Shayla ia. She is Shayla.
In more Ātarai Winton School, ko Tessa ia. She is Tessa.
Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ramare, the 7th of April.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Wharepaku, which is te reo for toilet.
As in, can I please use the Wharepaku? Today's the last day for the word of the week, so if you haven't been using it, today's your chance.
Ka pai. On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is low from 11 until 2.
And now potaes are still required from 11. Kia ora.
Hi VIZ Vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Zirka Circus will be setting up their big tent on the field opposite school soon. While they are there, no one is to go over and play on the field, thank you. Remember, $1 juices will be on sale at the sausage stand today. Make sure your wrapper ends up in a bin.
The Inter-House Quiz Challenge results will be shared at today's assembly. I wonder who's going to take it out.
Good luck to everyone playing touch tonight. 2 birthdays at Winton School. A huge happy birthday to Casey in room 13 and a big happy birthday to Tyler in room 4. Have the best day, guys.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite a pōpō. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā, and stay sharp, Winton School.